Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a little bit of a mini project using subroutines in Perl. So first what we're going to do is we're going to prompt the user for a file name which is on my desktop. We're going to check if that file name exists, and then we're going to optionally open that file from another subroutine and display its contents. So first of all I'm going to create a path here, my scalar path to my desktop. So this is my desktop path. Your desktop path is going to be different from this, so you're going to have to find your own unique desktop path. Once we've typed that in, we type in chdr change directory into this path. Then we come down and we create a subroutine called search file. We use the print command and tell the user to enter a file name. Now I'm going to enter a file name, a txt file name, which is on my desktop. And then we store all those files into an array here called files using glob. Then what we do is we search through that and we use the E flag here for exists. So literally, if the file name that we've typed in here exists, then we're going to print a message to the user, file name exists, and a new line. So this file name here, we will be interpolating the file name that we typed in up here. Then we give the user an option to print open, yes or no. Then we're going to chomp the new line, and we've created a scalar variable here called choice, and we've assigned it to standard input. This will get the input that the user types in. So we'll use the conditional here to evaluate it. So if choice is equal to y, which is yes, then we do open file, and we've inserted file name in here. So this open file here now will jump down to this subroutine. Or else, if that's not the case, if the user has typed in N, we just print by and exit the program. Okay, so what we're going to do here, so if we type in yes, we're going to jump to this subroutine here, and it's going to be able to handle the file name because we've inserted the file name variable into here as an argument. So we're going to jump down here, and it says my file name, and this is an array here, so this is my file name, and this will extract the first argument passed to the subroutine and stores it in file name. Then we print a message to the user opening and a new line, and then we use the file handler here to open it. So we create a variable called fh, which is short for file handler. We use this here to read. If it was the other way around, it would be to write. So we read the file name, or die, which is an error handler here. So if that's not the case, if it can't open it for some reason, it will throw an error, which is error opening. And then what we're going to do is we're going to create a variable called myLine, and we're going to read each line, and then we're going to print each line out. And then after that, once we've finished with it, we're going to close the file. Okay, let's run the program. Okay, let's make it a little bit bigger. I think it's called webinfo.txt, the file on my desktop. Hit enter. Okay, webinfo exists, so do we want to open it? No. Okay, so we've exited the program. Let's run it again. This time we want to open it, so we simply type in webinfo.txt. Do we want to open this? Yes. Hit enter, and there we go. We've opened this file, and we printed out the contents in this file. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and there's the full code if you want to take a screenshot of it. And thank you very much for coming along. Remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button below, give it a thumbs up, drop me a comment, and I will catch you guys in another video. Bye-bye.